Welsh butter has won many top awards at international dairy shows against competition from the best butter-producing countries in the world. Yet, when we think of butter, we tend to think of Denmark or New Zealand rather than Wales. In fact, 90% of Welsh housewives buy foreign butter. Excuse me, madam, I see that you bought some Welsh butter. What do you normally buy?
New Zealand butter, but I'm changing over to a menyn Cymru now. Welsh butter.
Why?
Well, it's more like the old-fashioned, I think, what we used to have in the old days.
You like the saltiness,
Yes,
do you?
yes, I do.
Well, I normally buy loose Danish butter.
Why do you buy Danish?
I find that it's the most consistent butters of all the butters that I've tried.
Have you tried the Welsh butter?
I have tried it. It's very nice, but rather too salty for my taste.
What butter do you normally buy?
The cheapest I can get.
And does that usually mean foreign butter?
Yes, New Zealand.
Well, if you can get Welsh butter as cheaply or cheaper, will you buy that?
Oh yes, I would. I like Welsh butter.
You like
I can't
the
afford it in the price it is at the moment.
In fact, the salinity of the butter is its chief selling point, according to the Milk Marketing Board. They're organising a campaign to boost the image of a menyn Cymru. I talked to Mr. William Atkinson, the manager of the Llangefni Creamery where Welsh butter is made.
Well, we're doing our utmost to try and increase the sales of Welsh butter in Wales. Starting this week, we've got a campaign going for a fortnight where we offer butter at a slight reduced price as compared to originally. We also have a campaign which is planned for the 25th of May, and we intend to continue during the summer, and we have plans for the autumn. It has a very distinctive and excellent flavour, mainly due to its higher salt, slightly higher salt content.
Why is there more salt in Welsh butter?
Because the Welsh as a nation prefer more salt.
Any particular reason for that?
It could well originate from the mining days, you know, in Wales, and particularly in South Wales, where the Welsh miners working on the coal face were sweating quite a bit. A need to replace that salt probably was evident, and this is probably where it has originated. But it's a national thing now throughout Wales, and this is very, very much sought after.